So this is a restaurant that has been closed for a while. This is another job that came in through recommendation. And then just doing the walkthrough now. All these surfaces are very dusty. It's gonna need cleaning. So clean all this. So we clean everything from the top to the bottom. We're going to clean all this too. Gonna shine it up. Remove the plastic. So we're gonna remove all the plastic from this. We're gonna clean the hood, make it look a little much better. Clean it out, steam clean all this, remove all the surfaces, remove all the stuff. We're gonna remove all that. All this is gonna get removed. Right, come in here, and it has a smell. So we're gonna have to clean everything from the top to the bottom. All of this. In here too. It's gonna get cleaned out. Left the onions and stuff. All of this floor. All of this is gonna get cleaned out nicely. Some cobwebs. Gonna remove all of the stuff. In here too, same thing. It's gonna get cleaned. All of this over here. And then we come around. This is the restroom. Okay, so lights. Light for the restroom. Over here too. All of this. Let's get cleaned out. So the floor. Remove all the stains. In here, the floors. We're also going to clean the shelves. It has sticky stuff on it. We're going to remove all that sticky stuff. Okay. It's an ATM machine that still works. In here, all of this. Okay. When we come here, the design, so in here is gonna get cleaned out too. All this stuff is gonna get cleaned out. All right. So, should be a light. I don't know how the system is set up. But all this we're going to clean everything. Everything's gonna get cleaned out. Everything. It's gonna get cleaned out. So all of this is cleaned out nicely. And then they have their garbage can and stuff. It's getting cleaned out. The windows, we're going to clean it on both sides. So it looks much, much better than it does now. All this dirt, remove that. Okay, so there is 2 floors to this. So, excuse me. Let's go upstairs. All right, stairway also is gonna get cleaned out. Floor definitely is going to get a much needed steam cleaning. Vacuuming everything, removing everything. Over here, this we can't do much about. In the sinks, all is gonna get cleaned. We try to take some of the rust out. For the floor too. Okay, and then there is a room, office, over here, cleaned out, and also the glass. So, we got our work cut out for us. And then, over here, we can't do much, but we do have some long tools that we can use to clean all the top here. So over here, it's a little bit out of reach for us, but we can clean it. The fan also will get cleaned out. We do have tools for that. So this is what we got. So this is a walkthrough, like I said. So if you have a restaurant that needs cleaning, you can call us and we will come and give you the same thing that we're going to give this customer. But yes, over here, all of this, let's get cleaned out. And also the stairways. This railing will also get cleaned out. Everything is gonna get cleaned out, everything. This we're not gonna touch. By the walls, we'll try to get a lot of the grease, majority of the grease out. So this is a full, probably take us 2 or 3 days to get every surface cleaned out. So that's what we're going to do.